Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox FabFitFun. Hey there, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Sarah. I post videos every Wednesday and Friday, beauty and weight loss related. Today we are going to unbox my FabFitFun spring box. I have quarantined the box because, as we know, that thing does live on cardboard. I sanitized and quarantined the box. Oh, this isn't my spring box. This is an add-on that I bought. Well, I feel like an idiot. This isn't my spring subscription. Okay, well, this took on a total turn of events for me. My spring box, it looks like it'll be here in a few days, so then I'll quarantine that as well and sanitize that and wait a few days till I do that. So that'll be like in the next clip. I'll just mash this all together. So this is a purse that I got from the FabFitFun Shop, and so they just shipped it separately. It is a Summer and Rose. It's like a quilted crossbody purse, and I got it for $34. I think it was originally like, you know, probably like $80, $90, something like that. It's got this really cool chevron quilting pattern to it. And what's funny is I'm kind of realizing is, like, I have a really nice Ted Baker purse that my husband got me. And it's a smooth leather, and it's like real leather. It's so nice, but like, it's so nice I'm afraid to use it. I have one little scratch on it already, and I'm just like, too nice. I can't have things that are that nice. Then I don't use them. But anyways, this sucker only cost $34, so no big deal. And it actually looks to be more sizable than I kind of expected it to be. So it has a nice leather handle on top, and I really like that because, you know, sometimes you want to be able to just like grab it like that. Then it has a magnetic closure on the front. So it's got this like nice chain detail here. Isn't that cute? I super love the quilting and leather purses right now. So it has two inside pockets here, and then it has a back zipper pocket right there. I actually am really excited for my purchase. I think I'm gonna get a lot of use. Okay, the next clip will be when I get my actual subscription box. So without further ado, we're gonna see what's inside this season's box. And something else that gives me really good feedback is that if you like today's content, please make sure to give me a like down there below the screen, and also make sure you subscribe and ring that bell if you like hanging out with me as well. I do have some customized items inside my box. I do get the subscription where I get the choice to choose between certain items. They usually give you about maybe like 3 or 4 items that you get to like choose, like select amongst like a handful of items, and you get to pick which one you want. I really like having that option, and so I paid like, I don't know, you think you paid a little bit extra or something like that, or it's like by paying all at once. See how really good I am at that. Look, if you go to FabFitFun, it'll tell you. Okay, so I figured it would just roll a lot faster if I just show you what I got, and I will throw up on the screen what the value is of each item. I pay approximately, because I do pay an annual subscription, it's about $50 a box, and that's this is a seasonal box, so you only get 4 per year. First off, this actually was outside of my box, but it came like in the carton with it, and it is this Sponge L Coconut Verbena, but it is a body wash infused buffer. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use this. It's been a couple years maybe since I've gotten one of these, and we loved the heck out of the first one that we got. Then we have another one here inside the box. It's also by Sponge L, and it's a body infused one, and this one is in Black Orchid. Oh man, it reminds me of the YSL, I think Black Opium. I don't know, I could be wrong, but it reminds me of that. Okay, and then next we have this mask. It is by the brand Wish, and it is their Blue Matcha Restoring Mask. And it says that it detoxifies and purifies, deeply moisturizes, and soothes. And this actually has a really nice scent to it. I'm sure it's just like kind of a natural scent. As you can see, it's a really nice thick texture. Okay, and then I actually also got a bottle of Scandinavia makeup setting spray. I feel like this is probably like the original or like the basic formula. Like it's not like a mattifying formula or anything. It's not listed like that. So Scandinavia, if you don't know, they actually make most of the setting sprays out there, or a lot of them, like Urban Decay setting sprays are made by Scandinavia. We also have a facial water mist spray, Avena. I'm terrible at saying some Avena. It's not the Aveeno, it's a different one, but it is a thermal spring water. We're still getting some winter weather. I am looking at a whole bunch of snow outside the window just past the camera. So I have to close the curtains today because it's so bright white out there. It's just like overbearing. So close the curtains so that I could see the camera. Okay, so next we have this layered coin necklace. I actually chose this one because I've been wanting to try like a layered coin necklace. It doesn't look very long though, so I'll probably have to get an extender for it to look the way I want it to, or maybe I'll just need to get used to the length of it. But I think it's really cute. Okay, and then we also have this paddle brush. It's a really pretty rose gold paddle brush, and it's by the brand Aria, and it claims to be a detangling brush. It's supposed to have like extended bristles, making it longer so that it's less stressful on your hair and better for detangling. I really like paddle brushes with my really straight hair, and I feel like they're really helpful when I'm blow drying. I use round brushes too, but sometimes it's nice to just have a paddle brush, and I like to have brushes like everywhere, like in the car, in my purse, in the kitchen, in my bathroom. Yes, I do have one in my kitchen. You never know, maybe I'm running out the door and I don't want to have to go all the way back upstairs to brush my hair. So next up we have this sweater coat is what they called it. It is by the brand Donnie, made in China. I hope it doesn't have a virus. So it's got a couple of pockets right here, 3/4 length sleeve. It's a really comfy fabric, I would say. Very casual, very, very casual. There's no buttons or any way to close it up. So yeah, so this is what she looks like. Holy smokes. All right, and here is the last item. These are packing cubes. I got to choose again, which there was like a couple style of packing cubes to pick from. And I went with this one that's more of a color block style. I have some other packing cubes, but they're like smaller ones, and I do enjoy using them occasionally. So I guess this came with 3 sizes, a small, medium, and a large, and it is by the brand Cowpack. Let's take a look. So they're all the same design, they're just different sizes. So they all have this kind of like ombreing with the coloring. They all have this pocket in the back that you can put something if you don't want it to get on anything. And then they have a mesh top front to go in the large part of your packing cube. I find that if I'm going on a longer trip, I really like using packing cubes because the longer that I'm gone or I'm gone somewhere, the more unorganized my luggage bag becomes. So by using something like this, everything just stays more organized. And for me, that makes me happier. I like to keep it organized. Okay, so that's it for this season's box. I will have my grand total here. That is it. I hope you really enjoyed seeing what I got in my spring box for FabFitFun. Don't forget, I post videos every Wednesday and Friday. Make sure you give me a like down below if you enjoyed today's content, seeing my unboxing, and also make sure you subscribe and ring that bell so that you never miss any of my future videos. Until next time, stay well, stay blessed.